Ever been curious about the ChatGPT logo? Like how this logo looks like? It looks like the interlocking shapes around the polygon shape. This thing is really confusing. So in this video, we are going to reveal the secret of designing ChatGPT logo inside Adobe Illustrator program. So stay with me as we are going to redesign the ChatGPT logo from scratch here in this video. So let's go and see. First of all, we're going to draw the polygon tool, which is the base shape of the ChatGPT logo. So we're going to select the polygon tool like this one here, and we're going to draw it over here. So hitting Alt and Shift, we're going to draw it, making it perfect, just like this one. So I want to rotate it as how it looks in the ChatGPT logo, like this one. Make everything at the center, just like that one. Let us try to reduce the stroke points maybe to 7, just like this one. So after having the polygon as a base of our ChatGPT logo, we are going to draw now the rectangle shape. So again, I'm going to select here the rectangle shape, and I want to draw it over here, just like this one. So after having my rectangle like this one, I want to adjust these two upper anchor points by making them rounded. So I'm going to select the direct selection tool, this one, and I will select this one. I hit this first anchor point, and holding shift I select the other anchor point and click like that one, and having both of them selected, I'll drag them down like this one to make it round like that one. So from here now, let's draw one line over here. So this line is going to help in joining our shapes after rotating them around our polygon. So let's try to draw here the line. I want to draw the line here from this point here. Holding shift, just make a perfect vertical line, just like this one. Looks okay, leave it like that one. And now having this line selected, I hit shift and select this adjusted rectangle like that one, and we're going now to rotate them around our polygon shape by aligning everything at the center of our polygon. So I'm going to click R in my keyboard to activate the rotate tool, and I want to move this point to the center of my polygon, where I will align everything like that one. From here now, I'm going to hit Alt and click in order to pop up the rotate dialog box. So I click Alt and click like that one, and I'm going to rotate them by -60 degrees. So I write here -60 degrees, and instead of just clicking OK, I'll make copy. I'm going to make 5 copies of this shape rotating around my polygon shape. So let's do it. Make the first copy like that one, and I'm going to repeat the same procedure 5 times. So after having our copies like this one, we are going now to select everything in our artboard. Let us drag here to select everything like this one, and after having each and everything selected, we start now to join our shape. So let's do it. We're going to select the shape builder tool in the toolbar, and we start joining them. So select the shape builder tool like this one, and let's start joining them as how they look in the ChatGPT logo. So let's go and see. So now after having everything like this one, let us try to delete some exceeding anchor points like these ones here. So let's now choose the delete anchor point tool and start deleting them like this one. So look at how this thing has turned out. So from here now, let us try to add some little stroke and see how things are going to be. Maybe let us try to set to maybe 13 points, and look at how the thing is looking like. So as you can see, we have finished designing the ChatGPT logo inside Adobe Illustrator program in just few minutes. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if it's like that, so give me thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. I hope to see you in the next Thursday. So keep designing, keep creating, keep pushing your limit, and most of all, have fun of it.